To change secondary language of the live transcript in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcript and then tap open live transcript. Next, tap setting icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and then select more setting. Under audio and language section, tap secondary language and then select the desired language. As the example, we will select French. The secondary language of the live transcript has been set to French. Now you can use this language. So live transcript can capture a speech in French and get the transcription in a text form on your screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.